I'm about to tell you the best app that you should be using to plan your Instagram feed. It has literally changed the game for me, and I'm excited to share with you what it is and the top 3 reasons why you should be using it over other planning apps for Instagram. You ready for it? So the app that I absolutely love to use to plan out my Instagram feed is called Later. And I'm gonna share with you a few reasons why I think that it's so amazing over all the other apps like Planoly and Plan and all of the other ones. I love Later because there's a few features about it that are different from the other apps that are just, oh my gosh, it's just incredible. So let's go ahead and jump right into what those things are. The first reason why I absolutely love Later is because it has a whole media library that you can upload photos to. I know one of the other Instagram planning apps I've tried, there is literally no ability to do this. You can upload photos to a media library that you have kind of on store so you can plan out future posts with, but you don't actually have to have it planned out in your feed to have it uploaded and ready to schedule whenever you want to. So they basically have an entire media library. You can organize it by tags. You can tag it and essentially categorize all of your different photos. So when you click on a tag, it just shows up all the photos under that tag. You're not having to go search through your entire media library for a specific kind of photo. The second reason why I love Later, like you guys, this is like one of the main reasons I love this app over any other app, is because it allows you to schedule posts. So you pick a post in your media library and you schedule it. So say I schedule it for this Monday at 12 p.m. and then say I schedule another post for Tuesday at 12 p.m. Well, the cool thing is that when you look at the preview, so how your feed is going to look, you can literally drag and drop the different scheduled posts that you have, and it's also swapping the times you have them scheduled. So if I swapped the order of the Monday and Tuesday posts, it's also swapping the scheduled time and just replacing the times with each other. Like, that is a game changer, especially if you're like me and you like to plan out your feed a little bit and make it look a certain way. It makes it really easy to go ahead and add in all your photos, arrange them how you want them to look visually, and it's already keeping the scheduled time slots that you really want to post on. There's a lot of posts, I don't really know, but you get what I mean. When you want to post on Instagram, you're keeping those scheduled times you already set, and it's not changing anything, if that makes sense. So, oh my gosh, you guys, this is one of the main reasons why I love Later. It's a game changer. If you want to poke around in Later and see what I'm talking about, there's a link for 10 free posts in the description of this video. You can go check it out, but I just absolutely love it. So let's dive into the third reason why I love it. And if you're liking this video so far, give it a thumbs up because it helps more people to see this video. The third reason why I love Later is it allows you to auto-publish posts. And I do want to preface this by saying I typically don't auto-publish my posts, but if you are someone that likes to auto-publish posts and put your Instagram a little bit more on autopilot, or maybe like for me, I know there's a certain day where I'm just not gonna have the time or capacity to post on a certain day, maybe I'm on vacation or something like that, you can auto-publish posts, and with an auto-publish, you can auto-publish tags on the photo, and you can auto-publish a first comment with all of your hashtags or whatever you want to be in your first comment. You guys, like that's a game changer. Not only can it auto-publish those posts for you, but it's auto-publishing whatever you want in your first comment, it's auto-publishing whatever tags you want on the actual photo, if there's like other people in the photo or brands or anything like that. It's just a game changer when it comes to that. So if that's a feature that you really love and you use and you really want that ability to be able to auto-publish something, go for Later. It's the best, and it will definitely be super helpful for you in doing that. Hit subscribe to my channel if you liked this video and it was super, super helpful. It helps more people see this video and to get it out to more people so they can watch it, and I'm just super grateful for it. And if you have any questions for me about this or about Later or using it or anything like that, drop it down in the comments. I would absolutely just love to help you guys with that. If you haven't already, check out my tutorial on how to use Later. I actually have a full breakdown of exactly how I'm using it to schedule my Instagram post. I'll put it right here, and a link will be down in the description if you want to jump into that video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.